Select the most appropriate preposition to fill in the blank. The boy jumped dash the sofa. Answer is C on. The boy jumped on the sofa. You have to leave your shoes dash the door when you enter the house. Answer is A by. You have to leave your shoes by the door when you enter the house. Dash his parents' disapproval, he joined this university. Answer is B. Despite. Despite his parents' disapproval, he joined this university. Do you know the reason dash his absence? Answer is C. For. Do you know the reason for his absence? Eggs are sold dash the dozen. Answer is C by. Eggs are sold by the dozen. Out of the four given options, select the word which is spelled correctly. Answer is A. Garrulous. Garrulous means excessively talkative, especially on trivial matters. Out of the four given options, select the word which is spelled correctly. Answer is companions. Out of the four given options, select the word which is spelled correctly. Answer is complementary. Out of the four given options, select the word which is spelled correctly. Answer is sorely. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom, dark horse. Answer is C, an unexpected winner. Select the most appropriate meaning of the idiom, keep one at bay. The answer is A, to keep something dangerous at a safe distance. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom, play it by ear. Answer is D, perform without any rehearsals. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom, memory like sieve. Answer is B, poor memory. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom, make up one's mind. Answer is C, to decide. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom, carry the day. Answer is A, to be successful. Select the word which has the opposite meaning, antonyms of the given word, live it. Answer is D, voice. The meaning of all the words are given on the site, so you can check it yourself. Live it means furiously angry, intricate, very complicated or detailed. Huddled means crowd together or nestle closely. Putrid means very unpleasant or ugly. And pious means dignified or exhibiting composure. Select the word which has the opposite meaning antonyms of the given word. Torpid. Answer is energetic. Torpid means mentally or physically inactive. Yell is to subdue or silence someone. Reticent, revealing one's thought or feeling readily. Bapher means hold out or put forward something to someone for acceptance. And energetic means showing or involving great activity or vitality. Select the word which has the opposite meaning antonyms of the given word. Fierce. Answer is gentle. Fierce means having or displaying an intense or ferocious aggressiveness. Sore means feeling physical pain or hurting. Gentle, it means mild in temperament or behavior, kind or tender. Vast, it means of a very great extent or size, enormous. And noisy is making or given to making a lot of noise. Select the antonym of imminent. Answer is C, distant. The meaning of imminent is about to happen. Meaning of near is something close by or and not far away. Unstoppable means not able to be stopped or prevented. Distant means far away in space or time. And impending means of something which is about to happen. Select the word which has the opposite meaning. Antonyms of the given word glad. Answer is C, sad. Glad means to feel pleasure, joy, or delight. Jive means to dance energetically or a nonsensical or foolish talk. Innocent means not guilty of a crime or offense. Sad means feeling or showing sorrow, unhappy. Haunt means to reappear continually as a spirit of ghost, to visit habitually or regularly. Select the most appropriate synonym for the given word. Compel. Synonym means something that has the same meaning. So the answer here is D, obligate. Compel means to force someone to do something. So obligate here means to bind or compel someone, especially legally or morally, to do something. The meaning jong wiki words pan saya boleh himapi. Select the most appropriate synonym for the given word avert. Answer is D, prevent. Avert means to prevent something unpleasant, and prevent means to stop something from happening or to stop somebody from doing something. So both have similar meaning. Select the most appropriate synonym for the given word retaliate. Answer is D, react. Retaliate means to react to something unpleasant. And react, it means to react. Act and respond to something. So here they have the same meaning. Select the most appropriate synonym for the given word contradict. Answer is B, contravene. Contradict means to deny or oppose a statement or belief. Contravene means to go against or violate a rule or law, which means to oppose only, so it has the same meaning, similar meaning, I mean. Select the most appropriate synonym for the given word inevitable. Answer is B, unavoidable. Inevitable means something that cannot be avoided or prevented from happening. And unavoidable means something that cannot be avoided or prevented. So here also both have similar meaning. That is why they are synonym. Choose the one-word substitution for walk or move at a slow, relaxed pace. Answer is B, amble. Choose the one-word substitution for to throw an event into confusion or disorder. Answer is A, disrupt. Choose the one-word substitution for handwriting that cannot be read. Answer is D, eligible. Choose the one-word substitution for kind, generous, and forgiving. Answer is D, magnanimous. Choose the one-word substitution for a display of unnecessary excitement. Answer is A, fuss.